This year has proven to be a remarkable one for AI channels, witnessing numerous creators making incredible strides, going from absolute scratch to amassing hundreds of thousands of subscribers solely through the use of AI. Despite YouTube's implementation of fresh guidelines specifically for AI videos, the fundamental principle remains unaltered. AI channels will maintain their ability to generate revenue. Employing stock footage akin to what you're observing here still holds the potential to attract millions of views for burgeoning channels, provided they infuse it with a dose of ingenuity. In this swift presentation, I'm here to guide you on outperforming your competitors in 2024 while generating passive income on YouTube, all while ensuring strict compliance with the platform's regulations to sidestep any potential demonetization issues. Our channel came to life on the first day of January 2023, driven by the primary objective of rejuvenating historical content by delivering it in a captivating and succinct manner through short, engaging videos. While many channels have come after them following the same approach, no one has reached the same level of success regarding views and subscriber count. So, if you want to grow a channel fast in 2024, my first tip for you is to use a first-mover advantage. Remember when AI was blowing up with ChatGPT and MidJourney going viral? Only the few channels that capitalized on the trend were able to grow faster. Some of them stick to the AI news, while others, like myself, teach people how to use these tools. You've probably seen Matt Wolf, who is arguably the biggest YouTuber in this space, growing his audience rapidly with AI content. But what you may not know is that he was making videos in another niche, and when he saw that the AI videos were performing, he simply switched to that and now makes tens of thousands of dollars every month. But does this mean if you start a channel on these topics this year, you are not going to make it? Well, no. This is where my second tip comes in, which is to find a competitive advantage. You see, the history niche isn't new. There are many established channels with over 4 million subscribers on YouTube. But instead of competing with them, History Bypass carved out an audience that wants the same information in a fast and easily digestible manner. And what better way to do that other than with short videos? Even better, I've seen many channels do this for different niches like the space niche, the travel niche, the animal niche, and the fact niche. Now, I'm not saying you have to go create a short channel if you don't want to, but you must find a way to be different in your niche. This may be creating topics from a new angle or getting on trends faster than anyone else. For instance, when Google announced the release of Gemini last week, small channels that created videos on it earlier gained a lot of views. Samsung hasn't released the S24, but we've seen small channels already making videos on it and getting up to 90K views. Imagine what will happen when it finally gets released. Joshua Mayo isn't the first to teach people how to make money online, but when he released this video a week before the new year of 2023, the internet went crazy and his channel blew up. With my experience in this niche, only a few of those who watch that video will actually take actions. But part of the reason the video performed so well is because of the timing. Which brought me to the third tip of this video: tap on the New Year trends. Many people have New Year resolutions, and the goals have always been the same almost every year. They want to improve their fitness, make more money, improve their mental health, and lose weight. This is why the keyword, how to lose weight, reaches its peak every January and drops as the years go by. So, as a YouTuber who wants to grow faster in 2024, your job is to create videos and provide solutions to these burning questions. A little secret to make this effective is to add the current year in the title or thumbnail. So your videos can be titled, "For AI-I'd Hustles No One Is Talking About in 2024. It's been said that AI on its own will not replace you, but the person using AI tools will. All of the channels I've shown you are using AI tools to create or assist them in the video production. Even Joshua uses Luminar AI to edit his eye-catching thumbnails. And as AI tools improve, the smartest way will be to adopt them in your creative process. For instance, creating videos like these viral shorts can be done in seconds using tools like Flicky. You simply need to open a new project, select the portrait size, and start with the idea template. Enter your topic into the pop-up like this. Choose the AI art, select the model you want, and click on Submit. Flicky will get to work, and in less than 30 seconds, you'll get a video like this. You see, tools like this give you leverage over your competition because you can create videos faster while they are doing everything manually or using dozens of AI tools. Of course, you can edit the script to add some human touch to it, choose different caption styles and fonts on the right, and you can even regenerate AI art for the scenes if you want another version or use your own prompt. In addition, Flicky also has AI avatars that can be useful for longer videos, which you probably come across on some viral videos on TikTok and YouTube. And with those little changes, the video has been edited like this in seconds. I'll drop the link to try out Flicky in the description below, and of course, it's free to use, but you need to pay to access these features, which is my number 4 tip in this video: leverage premium AI tools. We've talked about many AI tools on this channel, and some people complained and expected these tools to be 100% free. And I get it, it's hard when you're just starting out with no budget. But what I want you to note is that there's always free alternatives to create most of these videos. For example, what I just showed you can be done with a mix of ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, 11 Labs, Runway, and CapCut. But just look at that. You'll spend more time and effort creating the videos, and some of these tools would still require you to pay. If you're pressed for time and have the budget for tools like Flicky, it's a logical step to incorporate them into your workflow. When using AI-generated content, it's crucial to disclose this during video uploads, especially if the content appears convincingly realistic. Failing to do so could result in various consequences: channel suspension, video removal, or even the deletion of your account. Viewers will see a label indicating altered or synthetic content. It's uncertain whether this solely pertains to AI avatars and synthesized voiceovers or extends to those using AI for voice cloning and animations. This tip, number 5 in this video, emphasizes the importance of understanding YouTube's regulations. It's not solely about AI use. Whether it's copyright content, re-uploaded clips, motivational videos, or templates leading to repetitive content, it's crucial to abide by YouTube guidelines. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.